Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba lóde tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí lóní tagbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
Mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀ but nínú Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
She's always saying she can dance more than me. So today is her day. She believe I will follow. Yeah, let's go. Am I a teacher? So I'm going to we are going to go. Let's go. Come on. Together for Mercy, Mercy. Everybody don't come out there. One minute, please. Mercy, you can have your seat, okay? First and foremost, please, I want to, give a special shout out to all our colleagues in the house. Yeah, I can see Yod Makelwo, Midiowo, Faithia Balogun is coming in, Aisha Lawa, Bidemi Mustafa, Eniola Jao, Kenyani Baba. Quite a number of us are here. Bukola Adeoyo. Okay, guys. All my colleagues in the house, shout out to you guys. Thank you for honoring Mercy. Ibi tó bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan rí lèmi máa ń fẹ́ wà ní tèmi. And that's why I'm here today. Alright, guys. Number one. Are you sure? So thank you guys for coming. Majority of people are coming here to say good things about Mercy. Ṣé Mercy ò ṣe nǹkan tí ò dárí ni? Ṣé Mercy ò ṣe nǹkan tí ò dárí ni? Mercy ya wèrè gan o. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣe mo parọ́. Mercy ya wèrè gan o. The very first encounter I had with her tó gbóná gidi. Ó ti ṣẹ̀mí ká tó wọ set. Ó wá jẹ́ pé mo láti fọ́ létí nígbà tá a bá dé set. And she was pregnant then. Oh, I know you do. But she said, Femi, let's do it real. Let's make it real. Go believe me, my good bad news. Wonderful boss. But she like, ha! That's in natural wow. At join to me, you know. Then how old is Juwan now? Juwan is 11. So 10 years after, she met me on set. They were meant to tie me to a tree. Mercy retaliated, you can imagine. Over after 10 years. Ó wá bọ́ ṣòkòtò mi ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fa kínní mi báyìí níta dáadáa. Mercy nígbà tó lọ́ọ́ máa tún pàdé set kan tó yẹ kí n kọ́lé tí mo tún kó fún so 2-1 láwà báyìí 2-1. Ìkùnsínú la máa pe title. Ladies and gentlemen, I must sincerely say thank you all for coming. All right, this is what you can do to support us, support our business, support of course our work, and we want to say thank you very much. I've heard so many inspirational stories about Mercy, and it is motivational enough for me to be better than I am. Okay, so Mercy, keep up the good work. God will continue to bless you. And for everybody present here today, we say thank you for coming. God bless you guys. Sincerely, road tour of tomorrow. Asamaleke Amontai. Thank you very much, ladies and
I know you are good. That's what I always tell my daughter-in-law. But please, when you get to the limelight, because it is there you know the type of person one is. When your hands reach what you want, it is then you know that this one will be respectful, this one will just be putting the two hands up. But with her, she doesn't do that. She will, even if she doesn't see me, she will ask for me. Where is grandma? I've not been seeing her. I came yesterday, I think. Then I come and say, I don't want to disturb you. I see those people following you. Then she will not say, with 100 people are following you, Mama, you are my first. Call me, I will leave them and come and do too. So she has been very nice, very respectful, cordial. I don't even know how many English that I want to use for her, but I just say that she is just too good. And I pray for her that she will make it in life.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, all the colleagues of Madiba, all colleagues of Madiba. And that's what Madiba, ladies and gentlemen, God bless you tonight. Bubbles! Bubbles in the front. Let's do shut down energy. Bubbles shutting down tonight. Bubbles shutting down tonight. Bubbles shutting down tonight. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Diva is out here. The blessing of the promotion of that, let me tell you. Right time, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's about time for the winning team that brought us here. And that team is... So, hey, who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Talk to me hard, talk to me hard. Who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Who would you think I want to talk to me hard? Talk to me hard, talk to me hard. Say your talk, Two soldiers. So the family there. So the mama can misbehave. Make up his room. You must behave to know. If you don't behave, don't show that your family friend. Teachers, wow! You must behave to. For that, two soldiers. Yeah. But now you will be so. What's your master? God is here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Two reasons.
There is one thing I can't doubt. With being associated with Mercy, she's a go-getter. She's somebody who wants, Yorùbá máa ń ní ẹṣinwájú ní tẹ̀lé máa ń wò. She has been a true leader. One thing, in fact, nothing Mercy can do to me that will make me say I'm angry with her. Because one, she has not just been a blessing to me, she has been a blessing to my entire family. I give you an instance. When I wanted to give birth to my first son, I was told that I was praying, maybe it's the right word, or I was saying nonsense. But my sister-in-law told me the prayer I was saying to Mercy that day, so they have to give her the phone. Then she was scared that I didn't have to because Adura is in Boston. And all through the labor process, I was not myself. But one thing I know was, when I opened my eyes at 12 a.m. in Ibadan, she was the first person I saw beside me. She was the first person that carried my baby. She was the first person that named my son Moyosore Oluwa. And that name still stands today. So I tell Nesaya, even if you tell me from January to December that Mercy is a bad person, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion. But to me, she's wonderful, she's beautiful, she's a prayer warrior. I can say it to the world that I am married today is as a result of Mercy Aigbe's advice. She would tell me, Musia, and when I finally told her that, Auntie, Mama, if I marry you, she was like, she was serious, I don't joke. Money, no, I'm serious. He said, okay. Then he got come up, boy, money could be worried, but Coco need to motivate your wedding. So when I told my dad that Daddy must marry, that means that money is spiritual problem. Because I don't have a female friend, I don't have male friends, nobody comes to visit me at home, then you do assignments, go and cover social events, go to Burna Boy, go to Wizkid. Those are what I was doing. But when I told him that I am ready, on your fellow advice, she meant to man tell the kakiri no advice. Money yes. I want learning as to go to to, and to motion I am not to pay in your koya. And today, as one labor, our boys make it to one labor. Courtesy of our prayer, courtesy of our support, she might have not given me 1 million, but the advice, those values that she has instilled in me, will take me far away. And that I wish for Michelle, I wish for Olajuwon. That if you know the daily, one day they want to kọjá ẹ̀. Mark Diva, ẹsẹ̀ tó bá wọ bíbà ẹ̀, ẹsẹ̀ tó bá gbé ẹsẹ̀ tí ò dá wa, á padà sẹ́yìn. Torí ilé ajé ni bíbà ẹ̀, owó á máa wọlé, ọlá á máa wọlé. Lẹ́yìn bíbà yìí, Mommy J, you are building your own Mark Diva mansion. When next we are gathering here, we are not coming here. This place is just going to be an outlet. We are going to the permanent site. And with God by our side, come 2022, we are going to the permanent site. So Mercy Aigbe, it's on her. Ororo, oh, so delicious and delicious. Oh, if you want to cry, I will join you. Hey, oh, I love you cry. I need your tears. Cry by yourself. Anyway, I love you.
Holy Father.
Ilé ìtajà Mercy Aigbe ó ń ṣe ayẹyẹ ọdún keje Mark Divas. Ọ̀nà náà ti jìn, ọjọ́ ti pẹ́, bọ́ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé ọdún méje rèé, a dẹ̀ tún máa ṣọdún mọ́dún, a máa róṣù mọ́ṣù, Mark Divas á máa gbòòrò sí. Àwa ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún àtàjèrè ọjà, k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ajé máa wá, kó bugbá jẹ, kí a má rí òkúta nínú ọjà náà. Látún wá fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa, tó wá sí ibi báyìí lẹ́ni láti wá bá wa ṣe àjọyọ̀ òru àjọyọ̀ báyìí kò ní wọ́n nínú ilé ẹnìkankan wa.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba ló dé tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí ló ní tagbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀ but nínú Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
Alárakúàrà.
Orí ètò Alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
Mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot, mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
Mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín Adépèlé KPK kò gbọ̀kẹ̀. Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
Ọba sọ́yọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Jábẹ́sì padà, ìwọ ni Olúwa wá fàyè mi ṣe ìyanu.
Kilarigbo Live TV gbọ́n pa ẹ̀. Fún ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àkálẹ̀ èyíkéyìí ayẹyẹ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyún event coverage pẹ̀lú owó tí ò gani lára. Kilarigbo